What worked for your brand before may not necessarily bring the same magic this time. Social media is already way beyond just posting random content. The posts need to be constantly improved on and customized for specific audience personas and designed in formats fit for consumer needs. Having the best writer on your team is not enough. Creating standout content is not limited to social media posts anymore. It is not just content creation, it is the creation of content for a specific audience. Ask yourself and your team, what does your audience want? Do they want insights? Do they want information? Do they want to learn? Do they want to try your product? The last thing that you would want to do is to force your content to your audience while they are busy, not caring about your brand. Make sure that you are delivering it right where it matters most and when it matters most for them. If you lack a sense of originality in your content, then prepare for the wrath of the internet to fall upon your hapless soul. On the other side, it's tough to be original knowing that in the existence of human knowledge, probably when you think of it, everything has been said and done. The secret to standout content is in the authenticity of your brand message. Some brands may have already written about the best practices in lead generation. But you can still be original by adding in your own flavor, your own taste, by etching your brand message all over your lead generation strategy. There's still just way too much content out there, but this should not discourage you from creating standout content. The level of trust that you can build in your space will dictate the level of authority that you earn as an expert.